a little black dress in your closet, you know, one of those little things that you can wear anywhere for any occasion all summer long. Today I'm going to share with you some super fun ideas to wear this little black dress all summer long and look different every single time. Hi, I'm Dawn with Just Doing My Best. If you're here for the first time, I'm so glad that you're here. I hope that you'll like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Come over and find me at justdoingmybest.com, and definitely say hi at Just Doing My Best on Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you've been here before, you know that I started a series a while ago called How to Build a Better Wardrobe, and this little black dress is perfect for building your best wardrobe. This little black dress is going to be a workhorse. You can wear it just a ton of different ways. This one is short sleeve, so it's going to be perfect for summer. And today I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different ways to wear this little black dress and look different every single time. Before I share outfit ideas, I want to share with you why I chose this little black dress. This is a Ponte Knit, and what that means is if you've been in the stores lately, you can find a lot of cotton, you can find a lot of rayon, and you can find a lot of modal, which are really nice fabrics that'll keep you cool. But a Ponte Knit is a little bit heavier, it's a little bit weightier, which means that it's not gonna hug you as much as it really is gonna drape down and conceal that belly a little bit better. Yay! I love that. And I just like that it's got a little bit more substance to it, where the others seem to be a little flimsier. So at the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you how I take care of it and how you can get yours to last a whole lot longer. But for now, in the description of this video below, I'm going to link several Ponte Knit dresses so that you have your choice and you can find the little black dress that's going to be perfect for you. I'm going to take you all the way from dressy to super casual, and we're going to go really fast, so buckle up. First thing is I love this great dress with a blazer. You know I love a blazer. Again, if you've been following my series on how to build a better wardrobe, you know I love a blazer. So if you have to go to the office, if you have to go to a meeting, if you want to go to church, put a blazer on this, almost any color, and this will be amazing with heels or flats, your choice. I love this idea for this black dress. See, another great blazer, another great look for daytime, for an office, for a meeting. I love this. Change out the jewelry, change out the jacket, you're ready to go. Add a belt and different jewelry and different shoes, and no one will even know that it's the same dress. You know I love a kimono, come on. So this just lends itself to putting on a kimono, long or short, would be amazing with this. Flip-flops, sandals, heels, the options are endless. How fun would this be with a scarf tied around your neck in almost any color? If you don't know what the day holds, grab your favorite denim jacket and either a pair of sandals or a cute pair of sneakers, and you're ready for anything. For a casual day, maybe a concert, maybe the zoo, maybe a ball game, tie your favorite denim shirt around your waist and you're good to go. Now that I gave you some super fun, really quick ideas on how to wear your little black dress for summer, let me show you how I take care of mine. This Ponte Knit dress, like most, are machine washable, but I wouldn't throw it just straight into the wash machine. I want to protect it a little bit. I want it to stay looking nice for a long time. So I would use my washing machine bags. If you watched my video on how to care for your sweaters at the end of the season, you know I love these bags. So I would absolutely zip this all the way up. If it's got a zipper, this one does, zip it all the way up, throw it in the bag, zip the bag up, and then wash this with dark colors on cold water. So my little black dress here, the care label said to dry it flat. But what I usually like to do is I like to put things like this in the dryer by itself for just like 15 minutes or so on the lowest setting to get rid of a lot of the wrinkles, and then steam it the rest of the way. And if you do that, you should be able to get yours to last a really, really long time. I hope you're inspired to go out and find a little black dress of your own in this Ponte Knit. So comfortable, so flattering to kind of hide the belly. I love that. And if you take really good care of it, you should be able to have it for years and wear it hundreds of different ways. Leave me a comment and let me know which way was your favorite. And below the comments, I will link in the description a few of my favorite Ponte Knit dresses in all kinds of different styles. I hope that you find one that you absolutely love. Let me know your favorite idea. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, but for now, I hope you go out today and you're blessed and you do your best.